Hello everyone. So today we are gathered here to give our presentation on the topic of womenship, which is our business model. And our teammates are Pooja Singh,
Hello everyone.
Silva Sarkar,
Hello everyone.
Shriyoshi Bhattacharya,
Hello everyone.
and myself Anjali Shah. We all are the students of Techno India University and we are preparing MBA Financial Services. So the further on the topic, womenship and the business model will be explained by Pooja Singh.
Hello everyone. My name is Pooja Singh. Today we will discuss on the topic of women, on the topic of economic and social development, and we have taken two problems with one solution. So first problem is child abuse. Nowadays, many children are abused. Child abuse is when a parent or caregiver, whether through action or failing to act, causes injury, death, emotional harm, or risk of serious harm to a child. Unemployed women. As people who do not have a job have actively looked for work in the past few years and are currently available for work. Unemployment refers to a situation in which the workers who are capable of working and willing to work do not get employment. Next slide is child abuse. Now ask yourself, who would ever want to hurt a child? Everyone will say no one. Then why the issue of child abuse increasing day by day? Every year, more than 3 million reports of child abuse are made in the India. Next slide is about unemployed women. Women in India are actively looking for jobs, but there are only few opportunities available for women. Especially women living in rural areas miss those opportunities and faces many problems, yearnings for their family or for themselves. There are many women who are suffering from domestic violence and does not take any step just because they don't have the jobs in their hand. There are many women who are the only yearning person in the home and still they are not getting jobs. Next slide is mission statement. To create a better everyday life for the many people. We will create a better future for women and children so that they can live their life every day without tension. So next slide is discussed by Anjali Shah. Anjali, you are on.
So in this slide, which is market opportunity, we will be discussing the problem and the solution. So there are two problems, causes of unemployed women and the causes of child abuse. So the causes of unemployed women, which is high population growth, inefficient rate of economic progress, and the causes of child abuse are untreated mental illness, stress, and lack of support. So the solution is we will encourage women to be self-sustainable and independent. We'll spread knowledge about child abuse in the neighborhood or town. We will educate children about the good touch and the bad touch. The next slide, which is target group. So our target group are women, and in womanship, teamwork to promote the healthy development of children and prevent child abuse before it can occur in order to help children to grow up and contribute in their communities. Women feel healthier, happier when they are employed. So our next target is unemployed women to promote the social development. The next slide, which is market competition. In this slide, I will be explaining you our USB, which is we are different. We solve two problems with one solution. We give jobs to unemployed women and they will help in preventing child abuse. Our competitors' USP is this. They only prevent the child abuse, and the two companies which I have mentioned is American Psychological Association, Bikers Against Child Abuse Internationals. So womanship team works to promote the healthy development of children and prevent abuses before it can occur in order to help children to grow up and contribute in their communities. The next slide, business concept. In this slide, Women's Gym team works to promote children's healthy education, security through information and action. We communicate, we influence, we demand, we inform, we improve, and we share. So the next idea and the concept of the business will be explained by Shreyoshi Bhattacharya.
So here is our business canvas model, and our key resources are trainer, internet, and funds. And our key partners are Pooja Singh, Anjali Shah, Shilpa Sarkar, and myself, Shreyoshi Bhattacharya. And our key activities are to society development, raising funds, and social awareness. And our value proposition are employ women, preventing child abuse, and our customer relationship, creating awareness about safety and wellness in the society, and the beneficiary for children and women both. Our advertisement channel partner on social media, capital, 1 lakh, and fundraising, individual, business, organization, and government. And the next slide is about business model. So it's a PPP model, and it will reduce the unemployed women rate from our society and save the future of children, as well as it will be part of social development model. Here is our strength, weakness, opportunities. Our strength is celebrating the art of creating, motivating adult women to start learning, as well as connecting with organizations who are willing to help more women experience, and they will help to prevent child abuse. Our weakness is, as it is a new launching company, people are going to be shaky when it comes to partnering with us. Our opportunities is women must not learn how to make use of their existing time, but also be able to help others. And our threat is convincing women from villages to join the organization for their betterment and development of the society. Here is the business forecast. Our goals is the goal of womanship reflect our work, ethic, and dedication to improve the child care system. And the objective are provide consultation and information to agencies, organizations, and public policy makers interested in improving the quality of child care. And the next slide will be explained by Shilpa Sarkar.
Raising funds. As we are in need a search of or found for their initiative. The right amount of balance is necessary in acquiring funds of NGO, both traditional and newer method. To name some of the newer method are the following. Crowdfunding, use social media effectively. Thank your donors, applying for government grants, requesting funds for a corporate company. Please, Sri, next slide. Financial forecasting. This is one of the main source from where we will get the funds. We try to get our finance from private investors, private limited company, and different agencies who are willing to give their hands forward for a good case such as ours. Those are the some companies which are ready to give funds to our organization. Royson's Refactories Private Limited, Sleep All Private Limited, Mithane Ceramic Limited, Gabalamukhi Industries Private Limited, Aradhya Industries. Next slide. Research requirement. The research that we will need to start and run the business. First point is trainers who will train our women how to teach children about good touch and bad touch. Second point, internet connection. From this we will communicate in different cities and also advertise about our organization. Third point, funds. This we need to start the business and run the business. See next slide. milestone. To communicate with women who are willing to work. RACE found training the employees reach out different private government schools to give awareness about child abuse.
So I hope we all must understand our business concept and the model. And I would like to thank you, everyone.